Hello everybody. This is going to be a very challenging ordeal for me. When I first planted my purple potatoes, I planted 20 of them. I've dug up one and there was no potatoes in it, so I let them grow a little longer. That means there's 19 plants or 19 potatoes I had planted left to dig. And my challenge today is to get them dug up. It's hot. Thank God there's a breeze, which helps out a little bit. But I'm going to dig, and we'll see what we get. I pray that I get something worth digging. I hope I'm digging for something that is worth it. Otherwise, I'm losing out a lot on my efforts. And this is a lot of weeds that I'm having to go through. And my husband told me that I should just give up because he don't want me getting hurt out here. There's more than one way of getting hurt. Anyway, I'm going to do as much as I can. And you guys can just watch and see how it turns out. And hope that I can accomplish something, and hopefully we can get at least 10 pounds of potatoes. 5 pounds would be nice. Anyway, let me start digging and you can watch me through my struggles. So, let's turn you around so you can watch. I hope you can see. I don't know. Let's see here. What are we looking at right there? Let's see. I know there's lots of weeds, but I'm trying to find where my tomato cages are so I can line you up with where that is. I hope that's it right there. Let's see what happens. It's probably more like that. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens. I see a lot of tomatoes in my tomato cages. But right now I'm digging potatoes. Put my gloves on. And let's start. And my feet are just barely healed up from the poison ivy. Boy, these are little. Oh, I found one here in the dirt. They matched the dirt so easily. I almost missed one. I don't know if I want to do black purple potatoes anymore because they're hard to see in the dirt. There's a nice one. Can you see it? Putting all the stuff in there as best I can find them. There's one. There's one. Oops, I cut that one. Check that funny one out. At least I'm getting some potatoes. Funny looking potatoes. That's dirt. But I'm getting them. In the comments below, make a guess on how many potatoes you think I'm going to get. And the closest person will get a surprise from me. in the mail. Sounds like fun to me. An incentive for me to keep digging. Like I said before, they look so much like the dirt, it's hard to tell where they're at. These weeds out of the way. Man, it's depressing digging a hole and not getting hardly any potatoes. There's one. Well, I'm sorry about it being so quiet out here. You can't even hear the turkeys or nothing. Or the roosters. And I'm not very talkative. It seems like I'm just concentrating on digging and hoping there's potatoes. Well, I'm getting there. This weekend I'll have my husband mow this area down and I can dig easier because everything will be out of the way. But right now, oops, I found a potato. Cut it with the shovel. That means that has to be eaten faster than some of the others because damaged. To see, I accidentally cut it. But I saw a potato in here. They match the dirt so well. dirt. Next year, I promise you this, I'm putting some of that weed barrier down on all my rows of everything I plant. Help me with some of these weed problems. I'll tell you this right now. Even though it's only 19 potato plants, I'm not going to be able to dig them all at one time. It's too hot. And I'm having a hard time breathing. It really is depressing. I mean, you don't just plant seeds for the fun of it. You plant it so you can have something to eat. It would last more than one meal. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Well, the ground is kind of hard too, but I'm done for now. I'm not done, but that's all for this video. Guess in the comments below how many you think I'm going to have when I'm finished digging the 19 potatoes, and we will see how many there are, and then the closest guesser will get a prize. I haven't figured out what that's going to be yet, but I hope you like it. Anyway, I gotta go in and cool off and take a break and finish after a bit, but I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow will be something different. I can feel my heart pounding really hard. I'm gonna go in and I'll talk to you guys later. You have a wonderful day. Ta-ta.